Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where we will see asanas to strengthen the muscles around the knee as well as increase movement in the knee. So this is going to serve two purposes. One is strengthen the knee joint as well as reduce pain in the knee joint. So you can do this practice either sitting on the bed or sitting on the mat. You're going to get the same benefit irrespective of where you do it. The only change is if you have severe pain and you can't get down and sit on the floor, it's comfortable to do on the bed. And once the pain gets better, once your range of motion increases in your knee joints, you can come to sit on the mat. So it shows progress. So for the first one, we are going to be doing knee contractions. It's also called knee isometrics or Janu, Falak, akrasan. Here you can roll a towel. So initially the pain is a lot. So it's very hard to straighten the knee completely. Then using a big roll of towel works, and then eventually you start reducing, and then you may not need to use a towel when you do this asana. So place this beneath your knees. You can do one leg or you can do both legs. So place this, sit, press your heels, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Now tighten your kneecaps like you're trying to press the towel. What the towel is doing is it's giving you a feedback. So press the towel down onto the mat or bed. You'll notice the muscles in the front of your thigh are tightening. Hold for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. This way we're going to do 10 rounds of this. So we can do it together. Here, press and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Now focus on your breath. Press, bring all your awareness to your knee. Hold and count. You're breathing in and out. You can count in your mind. So you're holding it for 10 seconds. Round 4. You can move your hands back and lean back slightly. But see that you're not pressing into your palms. Release. Breath in and out. Keep breathing in and out. You're not holding your breath. 9, 10. Release. Again, press, tighten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 more rounds. Release. Again, press and tighten. Heels engaged, toes pointing towards the ceiling. Nine, 10. 2 more rounds. Last one. So this was one set. This way you can, if you have time, you can do the next set. It's preferable that you do 10 sets spread throughout the day. And this is one exercise that you're doing because there's no movement happening. So there is not going to be pain. There is your isometrically, just the muscles are contracting. So you're automatically building strength in the muscles. And you are not even bearing weight. All the asanas that we're going to do today, we're not going to be bearing any weight. As a physiotherapist, I've used this exercise constantly with anybody who comes with knee pain. This is the first thing that we suggest for most people. Now, the next asana that we're going to do is, this again is gentle on your knee. Here is just bend your toes towards your and extend and stretch it out. So what you're doing is just hold and stretch. Again, just folding your toes and stretch. Again, fold stretch. It's your path anguli naman. Stretch 10 of this, 5 more. 4. Remember, you're breathing in and out. Observe all the sensations that you're feeling. Being really aware. And 1. Then is your Goolf naman. Point your toes away from you. So you're pointing, stretching your ankle, flex your toes towards you. So you're simply pointing as you're trying to reach your toes towards the mat and bringing your toes in the direction of your body. 3. Nicely, you should feel the stretch in your calf. Take your time with it. Keep breathing in and out. You can always coordinate your breath with your movement. Inhale, point away. Exhale towards you. Inhale and exhale. I lost count there, but you can do 10 of this. And last one. Many times your knee contracts automatically, that's fine. The next one we're going to do is Goolf chakra, ankle rotation. Point. 2. Notice I'm just focusing on clockwise rotating 5 times. These are very simple but very, very effective. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're simply breathing in, breathing out. Now the next one is, this is when you're going to bend your knees, right? And grab hold to the back of your thigh. Bring your heels as close as possible. It may be hard if you have severe knee pain, so keep it away. Sit tall again, supported against the wall. You're not collapsing into your back. Interlace your fingers, hold the back of your thigh. Lift your foot off the mat and just extend. And drop it down. Again, 2, as much as you can. Come to a point where there is discomfort and no pain. If you notice pain, just go slightly lower, stay there. Bring your awareness to your knee joint. Inhale, completely exhale and drop it down. Again, inhale, 5 of this, down. In the description, I will show you how to progress with this practice, how to increase the counts. Just a guideline for you. What is important is that you listen to how your body feels. Straighten, just bend and flex. Now the other leg. Interlace your fingers, hold. Again, straighten and back. Inhale and exhale. 3. Because there is some movement in the knee, I'm just going to keep to 5 counts. And 1. Release. Shake your legs out. Last one. Janu chakra, that is knee rotations. Fold as much as you can. Even staying away here is completely okay. Remember to keep your back straight or take support. To begin, small circles with the tip of your toes. 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. You can draw a circle, you can, it's easy to make a square, do that. It's chakra, so completely up to you how you feel. Very less movement happening. Drop it down. Release the other leg. Hold. Sit tall. Lift your toes. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go slower than this. Initially, it may be hard to do slowly, but whatever is possible at that point. Then once you're comfortable, not necessarily today, you can draw bigger circles. Just see that you're not moving your legs in all directions here. Keep this stable. And release. Shake your legs out. Straighten. Just drop your knees to the side. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Again, inhale and exhale. And once you're done with the practice, if you notice any discomfort, there will be some discomfort. That's a given. There is some amount of stretch kind of a pain. But if there's any sharp shooting pain, you need to stop the practice and just stick to doing the first one, your knee isometrics. Once you're done with the practice, just stay here for a few seconds. Breathing in, completely exhaling through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. Just wiggle your toes and you can end your practice. Thank you so much for being here. I would love to hear your questions and queries related to this practice or related to anything else, yoga or any health condition. Write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss future videos. I'm going to come up with another video where we can work on strengthening the knee joint but bearing weight on our legs. Still, they will be gentle, but we'll be progressing from this to the next level. If you found this video valuable, please like and share. It really helps this channel grow. Namaste.